Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the subscribe button that you see that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns a lighter gray, you are in. It's that simple. There's also that bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content that I make, and that I make so much of it, please take a second when you arrive to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on this huge YouTube platform. So I'm thanking everyone in advance for the support of the growth of this channel simply by subscribing, making sure to ring that bell, and not forgetting to do that thumbs up. Okay, guys, this is exciting because we finally have the official spoilers for the Boxycharm Power Picks for the month of November. I also have another video that we did that is probably already posted where we got the finals and the recap of the icon box. So make sure your bell is on because I have a lot of official videos that are going up because we've got a lot of the information around the same time. We also have a huge giveaway going on this channel that make sure to watch that video. We're going to have more than 6 winners with boxes that are filled with products, but it's going to be by category. So it's a really unique giveaway, and I want to make sure that everybody who wants to be part of it and part of the celebration to make sure that you watch that video and you hear how to enter, because it is going to be going on. Their boxes are already full, so we're going to just keep adding more boxes to each category. So which that means is if I have an overflow in skincare, there'll be more than one skincare winner if you chose the skincare box, and you can choose all the boxes. Like I said, watch that video. You'll be able to see. We're going to run it all the way to the end of the year, and then we are going to have a winner that we're probably going to announce either at the end of the year or at the beginning of next. All right, so make sure to watch that video. I will make sure it's in every single one of my videos from now and going on until the end of the year. So if you missed, you'll be able to watch it and be able to enter. So now let's get into the Power Picks. So I did set up everything on my computer because, as you know, on this channel we do informative videos where we learn about the brands, the products, and of course the deals. But if you just want to see a picture, then head over to my Instagram. My name there is True Wants with the number 2. All right. So what they've written about the Power Picks, they're saying Rihanna at the Super Bowl, Beyonce and Taylor Swift. They're saying, but equally life-changing tours have been going on. That's only a sample of what's gone down in 2023 so far. And the best part is the year is not over yet. So let's keep the excitement going with a look at this month's Power Picks, the superstar products or the brands that are guaranteed in your monthly GlamBag or your Boxycharm. While we could go on and on about why we love November's Power Picks, one main reason is that these products make it easy to prioritize your self-care, which is a must during the holiday season, where we often are so busy thinking about others that we forget about ourselves. We have from skincare to makeup to must-haves. The lineup you have is like a buffet for beauty options that will keep your self-care front and center. So we're going to start with the November 2023 GlamBag Power Picks, and then we will do the Boxycharm ones. So we're starting with the GlamBag Power Pick spoilers. Every month, the GlamBag subscribers are guaranteed at least one Power Pick in their 5 product assortments. Members who sign up for the GlamBag in November could receive one of the following Power Picks. Starting with, and now let me get to the picture part of this. All right, starting with the first one here. This is from Benefit Cosmetics. It's the 24-hour Brow Setter Clear Brow Gel. It says, whether you're the victim of overplucked eyebrows or your full eyebrows allow seams to need a trim, this long-lasting gel can help you achieve the brows of your dreams. It features a custom-molded dual-sided wand that quickly deposits a flexible hold formula from the root to the tip, shaping, sculpting, and taming your brows for up to 24 hours at a time, no matter what or how much hair you actually have. The next potential Power Pick is going to be from Tarte. and that is this one here. And this is one of their newer mascaras. It is their tubing one. And it says, even for those of us considered experienced in the makeup department, tubing mascaras still blow our mind. If you haven't used one yet, listen up. Tubing mascaras lengthens the look of your lashes by forming, and you guessed it, a tube around each hair. They also resist smearing, smudging, or running, so you can enjoy the benefits of traditional mascara without the downside. As far as tubing mascaras go, this vegan option from Tarte is top of the line, and your natural lashes will look like extensions just after 2 coats. The next one we have is from Ciate London, and it is this one here, and it is the Watermelon Burst Setting Powder. Now, if this is anything like the coconut one, it is absolutely fantastic. It says some setting powders seem to suck all the moisture out of our complexion, but not this one. It is formulated with a watermelon extract that has hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, which are all the major hydrators. To keep your complexion looking quenched, it also has a slight shimmer that adds dimension to your face without overdoing it. The next one is one of my favorites that is from Origins. This is their Cheeks and Balances. It is a frothing face wash. It says November's all about counting your blessings, including the fact that this best-selling Origins face is coming to your Power Picks. It is a frothy face wash that ranks as a favorite formula for many skincare aficionados. It says not just because it's easy, it rinses away impurities and makeup, but also because it leaves your skin looking and feeling comfortable, clean, while it also purifies. And the next one is from Huda Beauty. And this is a liquid matte ultra comfort transfer proof lipstick in first class. It says, we know what you're thinking. Matte, comfortable, and transfer proof? Yes, it is possible. And we are expecting nothing less from Huda Beauty. This is a rich pink brown shade that only needs one swipe across your lips to coat them in up, and they're saying it will coat them in up to 8 hours of comfortable coverage. You could even count on this formula not to streak, smudge, or transfer, so you'll be reaching for it on a daily basis. The next batch of products that we have are the November Boxycharm by IPSY Power Picks. And they're saying every month, Boxycharm subscribers will get 2 Power Picks in their 5 product assortments. Members who sign up for Boxycharm's November could receive the following. So let me just show you the last picture that we have here. And this one is I've been filming too much today. This one is the first of the Boxycharm. This is from OC. This is their Ocean Ice Serum. It says, if you're playing host this holiday season, then you know that the struggle is real. From coordinating family members to cleaning up your space, there's plenty to keep you busy and to keep you awake at night. It says that's why we love this hydrating eye serum that helps reduce the appearance of dark circles and puffiness with seaweed, hyaluronic acid, and peptides. It also has a cooling roller ball applicator, I love those, to instantly refresh your skin. And the pro tip is to keep it in the fridge when not in use, and that will also help depuff even more. Wow, that sounds amazing. The next one is one that we saw in our early spoilers, and this is from L'Occitane. This is a new brand to the IPSY family, and it is the Shea Light Comforting Face Cream. This is a non-comedogenic face moisturizer. They're saying it is exactly what you need as we head into the colder weather. It is lightweight but luxurious. This formula brings instant hydration with nourishing shea butter. Dab it over your face and then gently sweep over the skin for that blanket of comfort that lasts throughout the day. The next one was also, we got an early sneak peek, and it is beyond stunning. This is from Alamar Cosmetics, and it is called the Destino Eyeshadow Palette. And it says, with shade names like, and I'm going to hopefully not pronounce this incorrectly because they're in Spanish. It says Suno, Sole, Tira, and Estrella. This palette is inspired by the journey to self-discover, which is kind of our thing here at IPSY. So it's safe to say that you are obsessed. This curated palette includes 10 buttery smooth shadows in a variety of finishes, including a shimmery cobalt blue, a rich matte brown, and a super opaque soft coral, and of course, more. Look how stunning this palette is. The next one is one we didn't get an early spoiler on. It is from Galactic. This is the Lash Play Duo Mascara, and it says long lashes, flawless finish, get your mascara who can do both. This dual-ended mascara features one end for lengthening and one end for detailing, so you can achieve extra long lashes without any smudge or clumping. This will be the mascara that you reach for all season long, so your makeup will always look snatched in all your holiday photos. And then the next one we have was another one that I'm so excited about. This is from Toy Factory. It is a Sidekick One Multi Palette. Meet the new Sidekick in your makeup kit. This contour and highlighter palette has an array of neutral shades to help sculpt, define, and highlight your features, and they're all formulated with squalene, so they nourish your skin at the same time. And I would expect nothing less, because if you're not familiar with this brand, this is the sister brand to Dew of the Gods, and they started off in skincare. So when they decided to open up a sister company that was going to share makeup, this is what it's all about, where they're incorporating color with skincare, and it is just unbelievable. Now, a few of us have had the opportunity to try a couple of things in the past in the GlamBag, like their concealer and things like that, and it blew everybody away. They are not missing the mark on anything that they are doing, and I love that they have such a strong relationship with IPSY, and that a lot of times we get their new launches before they're even on their website. So exciting. So those are all of the power picks that we have, and then this is a nice little picture that if you're following me on Instagram, this is what you would see. You would see the first picture that would tell you that I have a video up, and then the second picture would be of the items that we're going to talk about in the video. So once again, my name is True Wants with the number 2, and I want to make sure that if you're not following me there, you are missing out, because I share with you a lot that when it's informative videos that I need to do, that is when I do it on YouTube. But if it's just something that's a picture of a product or a sneak peek that doesn't need a video, then that is what the Instagram is all about. So again, make sure to follow True Wants with the number 2 on Instagram. But always right now, make sure to share in the comments down below if you are excited about the power picks. If you are not a member of IPSY yet, I always have my link down below where you'll be able to sign up. And I'll also make sure to leave my link also pinned in the comments of the giveaway video that I want to make sure that nobody misses out on. So remember, there's going to be a lot in those giveaway boxes. So if you normally don't sign up for giveaways, make sure that you do this time, because I really think what is really nice about these large giveaways that I do, there's going to be so many products in there that you're going to be able to pay it forward. And this is the time of year when you want to do that. So I wanted to make sure, we should do it all the time, but this is the time of year where we try to put a lot of products aside for others. So I want to make sure that if, like you said, like I don't normally try to do giveaways, but periodically I do. And when we do, I always want to make sure that it's something that you can pay forward. So everyone, again, we are a community here at True Wants, so if you've had the opportunity to try any of the products that we went through, make sure to share it in the comments down below. And especially if it's skincare, don't forget to leave your age range, like if you're youthful or you're more mature, if you're dry skin, or if you're combo. I would love to know that as well. This way, everyone can help everybody, and we can all make better educated decision on the choices that we need to make. All right, take care, everybody. Continue to stay safe and well, and I'll see you all soon again in the next video. Bye for now.